Now, every day you stack up good things like this. Imagine your day. You get invited to your friend's birthday. You get good marks in your assignment. Your teacher is appreciating you. Your mom is happy with the marks that you have scored.
Well done.
But then one thing goes wrong. And this is what happens in your mind. We instantly write off our entire day. Parents, teachers, educators, we call this as the domino effect. Also in psychology, we call it as negative cognitive generalizing. Our brain is negatively biased. Parents, teachers, educators, in this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple ways how we can help our children come out of this overwhelming situation and be happy and successful. Step number 1, identifying that one specific thought which makes us believe that I have achieved nothing. Isolate that one particular thought. Step number 2, remove the clutter. Step number 3, baby action. Start building again. One by one. And very soon, you'll be up there. Parents, teachers, educator, I am your coach. Follow me for more.